What's up, guys? So I am back again with a video for myself. Hope everybody's doing all right. So today, coming into the market on NQ, I marked up my typical strategy, which is my mentor strategy. We mark up the New York Open on the 15-minute. I marked up London highs. I marked up Asia highs, and I was going to mark up London lows and Asia lows, but New York Open already came down and took out the liquidity from Asia lows and London lows. So I did not have those um, because we already took it out. So they were no longer valid. Um, and coming down to the 5 minute, I was thinking that, okay, if we already took out these lows and we are starting to here multiple times, and then I saw this nice closure back into New York Open. But what I did wrong was because I took longs here. I took longs here about like a year or so, and I have my stops down here. And I was gonna sit here and target London highs because I thought we were rejecting multiple times, multiple wicks, and we had a nice closure back into New York Open. I thought that we were gonna go back up here, but what I did wrong is that I did not wait for a closure above New York. And also this candle specifically right here, this 815 candle, it tried to break above New York Open, but it rejected and came and closed back bearish into the open. So I fucked up there and noticed I fucked up. So I also could have been looking at the structure that the previous sessions were forming. So we have Asia highs and then we have Asia lows. It created a lower low. And then we have London highs right here, which created a lower high. And then we never created that lower low until about 8:15, New York Open, 8:30, something like that, 8:15, 8:30. We never created that lower low until New York. So New York created that lower low for us, and I should have considered continuing down into shorts. And I did not wait for my closure above New York Open. So I closed my longs, cut my losses short, and then I went into shorts about right here, and I targeted a 2-to-1, which pretty much it hit. Let me turn this magnet off, which it hit about here. Okay. About right there, something like that. Somewhere, it was a 2-to-1. It hit. Okay, it was about right here. Um, and then I closed out of that. My original target, though, my original target was going to be all the way down here on NQ, all the way down here. I was trying to see if we could come all the way back down here to yesterday's New York Open. I also had yesterday's London highs still marked off because this seemed like a very strong level. Because this level, as soon as we broke past here, we created this entire up move. So I kept this level here. And if you look at it, we actually bounced perfectly off of yesterday's London highs. So that was a very valid level, very valid. So that was my overall target, but I did close at a 2-to-1. And then I was watching this level at yesterday's London highs, and I saw this little structure starting to form, this bullish structure starting to form. So I actually really liked this structure. So I hopped into this buy. It was about right here. It was not all the way down here. It was somewhere in this candle, probably about right there. And I was targeting up here. I was gonna come and target all the way back up here to New York Open, but I didn't want to be greedy, so I just targeted another little 2-to-2. It's about right here. Yeah, my entry was like right here because it was a 2-to-1. So I said 2-to-2, a 2-to-1. So that hit as well. So I had one loss and we had two wins on the day. So one loss and two wins. and can't get any better than that. Just a liquidity based strategy. All right, guys, see you later.